What's up, guys, and good morning from Fort Lauderdale. Peter, what day is it, buddy?
It's cruise day.
It is cruise day. We're heading over, we're getting ready to get on board the Odyssey of the Seas for 8 days down in the Caribbean. Man, it's good to say that. It's good to be back. We're heading over right now. We're at the, what are we at?
Hampton Inn and Suites South Cruise Port.
Wait, say it again.
Hampton Inn and Suites South Cruise Port.
South Cruise Port, that's where we stayed. It was like 200 bucks a night, stupid expensive, but it had free breakfast, and that was the most important thing to Peter.
Free parking.
So free parking, free breakfast if you're driving down, check it out. We're gonna head over, it's maybe 10 minutes, 12 minutes from the port. Odyssey of the Seas just got back from her European cruise, so embarkation is a little bit delayed more than normal. It is right now 11 o'clock exactly on the dot, and we're heading over. They told us that they wouldn't start things till 12, but we have to check out of here at 11. So there's no point in waiting around, so we're gonna head over. Check-in time is 12, but by the time we get over, get everything parked, unpacked, it should be like 11:30. Maybe we'll have to hang out for 30 minutes. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, we're gonna get on board, check out this brand new ship for me. First time checking out a, what would this be, an Anthem class? Quantum class. Quantum, no, this is Quantum Ultra, isn't it? Yes! Checking out a Quantum Ultra class ship. It's our first time checking out this class, so I'm excited to see what's new, what's different, what's the same. Come on, you're coming along with us. Make sure, smash that thumbs up button, share it with a friend. Let's go, baby. It's cruise day. Are you ready? Odyssey of the Seas, buddy. So it's 11:41 right now. 11:41. We've just arrived at the port here, Terminal 18 in Fort Lauderdale. So we're gonna head in, see how long it takes to get us checked in and everything. Like I said, they had a customs and border inspection this morning. So that's what delayed things for us. So where they've been in Europe, it's their first time back in the US in many months. So they had a lengthy inspection. So we'll see what happens, see how long it takes. I don't think it's gonna be quick, but I'll be surprised if it is. That'd be a nice surprise. Hello, Scott. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hey, I know you. So we've made it through security and everything. It's 11:55. They are booking it in here, and there's plenty of seating in here. So do know that if you do arrive a few minutes early, they've got plenty of places for you to sit down, chillax. I think there's even some water and refreshments up there. So we'll see if we can check that out for a minute before they let us on board. They actually just said we can get right on board. I don't know. There looks like a lot of people sitting up here, but they just said we can go to the ship and drop our stuff off in our room. So, oh no, they are boarding, look. We're getting on the ship. So I think we may just have to queue up like these people here have queued up, and then we'll be getting on board. So maybe not an immediate boarding, but they are boarding. So any good news is good news. So yeah, they're doing, they're basically calling us by groups. So we're on this group now, and then there's one group here, and then us, and then we'll be able to get on board. So, I mean, I think we've waited right now maybe it's been 15 minutes exactly, actually. So I think it'll probably end up being 30 minutes, not bad at all. We'll be right on schedule, actually. We'll be right on our boarding time, so.
And they said we could drop stuff off in the room.
Yeah, you can go ahead and drop your bags off. So we won't have to lug that around and go up and maybe have some lunch and explore a little bit. I'm so excited. Here we go. Getting on board, here we go. Odyssey of the Seas, you ready?
Yeah, we're coming. Let's go.
12:27. Our first Quantum class and first Quantum Ultra class. Odyssey of the Seas. 3, 2, 1. We're on board. Back. Let's check it out. Pretty. Ooh, we get to go under a little balloon arch.
How exciting.
Exciting. Wow. Here is the Royal Esplanade. Esplanade, yeah.
Look at how.
Not the promenade. Yeah, wow. There's so much to explore, so much to see, so much to do. We are gonna go drop our bags off really quick at the room. They have told us that we can do that, so we're gonna run and do that and then check out a little bit of what's going on here on the Odyssey. Just got here to our room. We've dropped off our bags. Rooms are not quite ready yet, so I'll spare you the room tour for a little bit later, and actually it'll be in a separate video. So if you wanna click the eye blinking up top right now, you can check that out. Our ocean viewed room here on Odyssey of the Seas. 2-second look, it looks really, really cool, but right now we're gonna go do, actually, our muster drill. Right there on the TV it is. So we're gonna go do that. You have to check in at your station, you have to watch a couple things on the app, and after that then we'll head up, have some lunch, and get to exploring this awesome, beautiful ship. Let's do it. Yeah, at 1. All right, so funny enough, our muster drill is actually at Starbucks. So we're coming to check in right now at Starbucks. Should we get a drink while we're here? Maybe not. Maybe it's a little crazy right now. Crown and Compass Pub. This is also new. Peter found Sorrento's. I swear he has like a nose for it. Smell it. Yeah. He's like a hound dog or something. Uh-oh, that's crew only. Can't go that way. How do we get out of here? We're trapped! Wow, we keep getting detoured. We're trying to make it upstairs, but we found the theater. Here's the Royal Theater. Gorgeous. All right, let's go get some food. Let's see what Odyssey's got for us. This is kind of cool. So it says touch-free buttons. Just wave your hand over the one you want to activate. That's neat. Oh, snap! Uh-oh, we found a pool. This is pretty. Oh, look, Peter, it's the North Star.
Great spaces to shop.
We'll have to check that out. We're definitely not today, but we'll definitely check it out at some point.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow in Coco Cay, or is that when it's?
When we're in port.
So there's two. I think so. There's 2 different options. There's it costs money and then it doesn't. We have to research when it does and doesn't. It's either when it's in port it costs, and when you're at sea it's free, or it's the other way around. We'll figure it out. We'll let you know though. It's time to washy. Busy, busy, busy up here at Windjammer right now. You know, rooms are not open yet, so that is contributing to it. That's probably my #1 embarkation day cruise tip. Don't judge the crowds on embarkation day. Don't judge it for the whole week. Wait till after 2, 3 o'clock when people go to their rooms. It'll be a lot different. Wow, look at those burgers, Pete. Ooh. Those look good. Hello. Lots of yummy looking food here. So we've just made it in Windjammer. We're gonna try and see what all is on the buffet menu for today. This is the meat carvery. They've got a nice roasted beef steamship. Look at that thing. Wow. Lots of yummy desserts here. Yum. What if we just skip the main course? Who would know? Who would know? Just eat dessert today. Who would know? Fresh fruits? What is that?
I don't know.
Have you ever seen that?
Is that pear?
I don't know. If you know what that is, comment down below. Tell me what that is. There's no sign or anything. Lots of bread selections. My mom would be over the moon. And some cold cuts, some meat, some cheeses. Let's see what cheeses they have. Provolone, pepper jack, pimento cheese. Very good. Good stuff. Some soup over here. So, wow, this is a nice station if you just want something simple. I see some fish and veggies over here. Maybe I'll get in this line.
Oh, look at yours.
All right.
Apple pound cake. You want chocolate bar, Josh?
We just finished up lunch at Windjammer. I give it 2 solid thumbs up. What about you, Pete? What did you think of lunch?
That was really good.
It was
really
impressive. I really enjoyed the food there. Everything I had, except for that, what was that, beef boat or something? I didn't really care for that, but everything else was pretty solid. I liked it. Via? I don't know. What is the Via? We're going to, we're trying to get to the main dining room. No, not because we're still hungry. I know we just ate. We're going to fix our dinner reservations for our group. They've asked us to come and just verify with the maitre d'. So we gotta go have a few conversations, few bits of housekeeping, and then we will, we'll do some exploring. Wow, this is so cool. Yeah. It's like a little alcove you can look out of. Staterooms are open, so everybody's flooding to their stateroom now. Wow, look at this. This is so neat. Maybe we need to be on that side. Alrighty, it is time to check out our cabin. Our rooms are officially available. Peter, you want to do the honors? Rip that thing open. Ooh, let's see our cards. We're almost emerald.
This is me.
That's you. Did the lights just...
Yeah.
The lights are going out.
Looks like we're about
The
to
lights are going...
night.
The lights are going out. What's going on here? What?
Oh, here they
What?
Interesting.
Okay. Tap it on there. Here we go. And here is our room. Look at this. So like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna show you all around this room, but just some quick notes about it. That, like I said, there's a full room tour. I love the finishings on the room. I like the colors that they used. It's very modern looking. I don't know, it's cool. We got an ocean view. So actually, how did we get this ocean view, Peter? You're pretty proud of this moment.
We royal up.
We royal up.
Interior.
Yep.
To this nice, spacious ocean view.
Yep, and we are excited for it. So 8 days, this is our home. This is where we're hanging out. Welcome to mi casa. Here's a casa tour. No, I'm just kidding. So we're gonna do a full room tour. I'll break it all down for you. Make sure you check out that video, and let's go explore some more. Shimon.
Holy moly.
Where are we?
Well, it looks like the boardwalk.
Wow. This is so cool. This reminds me of Norwegian, like the,
Yes.
you know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly.
That's what this reminds me of.
This is a good spot, I think.
Oh, wow. Look at 270. This is cool.
It's like insane looking. Look how cool. Like, this is like the Grand Central, but on steroids. It is. Like, it reminds me of Grand Central a little bit, but like better.
He says it reminds him of Grand Central, but on the steroids. This is cool. This is where our show is tonight, actually.
Right there.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it's a bit loud is the only thing. Maybe up there. Peter had two things that he really wanted to see. One of them was 270. The other one was where we're about to go right now. Check it out. The Seaplex. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they got the bumper cars going. So this is like a multi-use venue, I guess is what you would call it. Here they have, oh my gosh, this is cool. Look at this. Here they have bumper cars currently going on it, but they also do basketball, volleyball. What else? Isn't there roller rink? Don't they do trapeze or something?
Like a circus school?
Yeah, circus school or something here. A lot of funny stuff.
Where do you get on these?
I don't know. This is so funny.
Let's do a walk up around up here.
Where you want to go?
Up here, like
Okay.
kind of walk around maybe.
We've had lots going on all afternoon. We had our group meeting. Welcome aboard. We got our dining situated for tonight, and it's coming up to be sail away time here in just a little bit. So we're definitely gonna go check that out with you as well. Oh, here's Playmakers.
Interesting spot for
Huh. Well, they have pool. That'll be fun. They're trading out on the bumper cars.
I wonder if they do shows. But see, I don't think they do shows.
This is a perfect venue for shows.
I know, but I don't.
But I don't know if I mean, there's not really seating, so yeah. What is this? Reader closed. So I guess these are normally like table games or something.
Yeah.
Oh!
Like an arcade.
Look! What does this do? Let's see, if we play that. Air hockey. What?
Oh. How to make it bigger? Put it to the whole table.
What?
Later.
Start. Oh, you have to pay
like
for it.
Okay.
Oh. So this is like the...
Kind of the arcade.
Is this the arcade? Interesting. So here's free. Those are cool. Look at those. Look at that seating right there. That's neat.
These are sideways.
Yeah, sideways air hockey. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like bowed up there. That's cool. There's these casitas that you can rent these every day. I don't know how much they are, but I do remember reading that they were quite the price tag. So if that interests you, you want somewhere designated that's yours here on the pool deck, you could certainly check that out.